Trev is meandering around somewhere offset, but he's here. I'm here. You guys are here, locked into Thomas Twins TV. Your host Del, alongside twin brother Trev, coming at you with health and fitness content. And you know what? This time we're doing it a little bit different. We're showing you a catalogue of some of our previous videos. We're showing you some tutorial content, how we train, so you get a flavour of what's happening and what's popping off on this channel.
Little mixtape thing going on, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel and you're interested in health and fitness, then feel no way about pushing the subscription button and also ticking that notification bell so you guys get alerted when us guys drop the videos, which is when?
Every Thursday at 7 AM UK time.
That's right. Any comments you guys have, just leave them below. If videos that you want us to address, we'll obviously deal with that for you guys. And we'll keep it moving on this channel, bringing you great content, dropping the alpha.
I was about to say that. You got
make sure you watch this video right to the end and share it with your people out there who are interested in something similar.
Other than that, peace, enjoy.
Here is your classic standard 7-foot Olympic bar, normally used for deadlifting, bench pressing and squats, but can be used for other exercises as well. It weighs 20 kilograms and is found pretty much in every single gym. I'll be surprised if they don't have this.
Easy now, guys. Yes, world of social media. Big up to the YouTube channel, us guys at Thomas Twins TV. Your host Del, alongside twin brother Trev.
Man is bigging up himself.
Big up my status, our status, the channel status. Big up the subscribers. We've got a brilliant video for you guys today. We're rocking some bits of equipment. And why are we rocking these bits of equipment, Trev?
We're coming at you with core stuff, baby. We're coming at you with ab workout. And we're going to add some resistance to some exercises just to make it a little bit more challenging. All right, goblet squats into the mix.
Banter on this one's next level, isn't it? Yeah. Good range of motion. We're looking about 90 degrees. That's it, little side profile here, Trev. We're activating quads. Guys, you must know this is the front of the leg here. Glutes are involved.
Okay, I'm just throwing around a 12.5 kg weight. You guys might want to use something lighter or something heavier depending on your level of fitness. I'm just going to step this side so you can see what we've got, see what we're working with. We've got the exercise bike over here, 21 kg flywheel, so you can definitely do some bits on there. Treadmill. Quite obvious, it goes up to 15% gradient, so that's quite good, and rapid with the speed, 21 on the speed. Also, we got the Matrix Stairmaster, which is our client's personal favorite. If you know, you know, and
if you do know, drop a bicep emoji, man.
Drop a couple of bicep emojis down in the comments, guys, and yeah, show your boys some love.
I think we're good.
So guys, this is hamstrings, using the Smith machine, targeting those hammies at the back of the leg. How does that feel, Del?
Yeah, it's such a smooth movement, and I'm going to keep going on about this because there's no lateral movement. You can really focus in, home in on technique. You haven't got to balance anything too much. It's just a case of up and down movement on this and just really activate the muscle. In this case, it was hamstrings.
Yeah.
Easy now, guys. Right, we're at the next workstation. Once again, Trev's on a demonstration with this. This one is the leg press. It's quite self-explanatory. We are literally pushing up on this platform to do the work. Over to you, Trev.
Okay, I've got my legs up quite high on the platform here. This helps to target the glute muscles. Literally going to push the platform forward, release these handles here, and then put this move on repeat. You can feel the stretch on the legs. You can feel the lactic acid building up on the glutes as well.
26,000 people packed out the stadium. I like the moves, Trev. To spectate this big fight, we're talking two British, should we say legends, one in the making AJ seen as a legend, isn't he?
He is. He's the face of boxing.
He's the face of Hugo Boss, the face of Under Armour. There was a lot on the line. There were belts on the line, reputations on the line, and it didn't really go well for AJ. In fact, it couldn't have gone any worse.
Seven. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the way full length. 1, 2.
I'm going to shimmy to the side a little bit so you can see me clearly. Just pivots round. So oh, that's what you get for wearing pockets.
Cool. Yeah. So that's targeting the muscles in your back, guys. Yeah. That is a great exercise. If you want to target the muscles in your shoulders, the front part of your shoulders, you can do this. One shoulder at a time.
Good. Anterior delts getting activated here, obviously. Guys, Thomas Twins gym bag in the building. In this bag is 5 pieces of equipment that assist us with our training. We're going to be dragging them out this gym bag and explaining to you what they're used for, the best exercises to use them. You might want to take tips and get some of this equipment in your own gym bag because it's only going to aid you with your training. So without further ado, guys, we'll see you around the other side.
Okay, so I'm going to have a rummage around in the bag, see what I can find. First item, liquid chalk. Liquid chalk is a brilliant product for helping you gain extra grip strength. Ideal for exercises like deadlifts or any exercises like pull-ups.
This is a brilliant exercise for warming up the legs and the upper body at the same time. We're activating some quad muscles, glutes, the lats, and also the shoulders as well. From here, we can transition into a lunge with a rotation. And typically 10 to 12 reps is okay on something like this. This way, we're warming up the lower back with that rotation, getting some obliques involved. So yeah, that's good on the side profile there, Trev. Yeah, can't overlook this stuff because this is important. This is going to prevent injuries.